New at 11, the city of Atlanta is considering taking a stronger stance on abortion rights. It comes as the Supreme Court is set to rule on the long-standing Roe v. Wade decision this month. Atlanta City Council member Liliana Bakhtari wants police to decriminalize any alleged abortion crimes. Joe Ripley here with us now, breaking down her newly proposed resolution. Joe.
Yeah, good evening, Jennifer. Legal experts are saying this is different from the fight between state and city leaders over mask mandates that we saw at the beginning of COVID. A resolution is not an ordinance or law, so they can't be enforced. But this proposed resolution on abortion rights could spark other legal questions as the fate of Roe hangs in the balance. Atlanta City Council member Liliana Bakhtari believes abortion rights are in danger. The Supreme Court's potential overturning of Roe v. Wade sparked her to make a resolution protecting abortion rights in the city of Atlanta.
We're prepared to do the right thing, which is ensure that city dollars don't go towards criminalizing people for seeking help, but instead goes to much more needed things like affordable housing, repairing infrastructure, combating homelessness and poverty and crime.
Bakhtari says if Roe is overturned and Georgia's anti-abortion law, otherwise known as the Heartbeat Bill, goes into effect, the resolution would call on Atlanta police to not treat any potential abortion-related crimes as priorities.
There's nothing that justifies the killing of innocent human life or lessening the standards regarding protecting, life is paramount.
Critics to the resolution, like Mike Griffin with Georgia Baptist Mission Board, say there's no constitutional right to abortion in the U.S., and this resolution simply isn't practical.
The reality is they cannot change the state law. They cannot make abortion legal or protected just within their city because state law preempts a local ordinance.
11 Alive legal analyst Paige Pate says the legal impact will be limited, but the resolution will send a strong message.
They're attempting to usurp the legislative process, which is how this is to be handled from a state perspective.
I don't see this as usurping the state. I see this as standing by what should be a constitutional right and ensuring that we're protecting people's right to do with their body as they choose.
Bakhtari says the earliest this resolution could pass is June 20th. Of course, the Supreme Court is expected to rule on Roe before they go on recess. That's on June 26th. We have reached out to Atlanta Mayor Andre Dickens as well as Governor Brian Kemp's office for comment on this resolution, but we have yet to hear back.